Have you ever been in a fast car before?
No.
No.
Do I need to hold on or what's the plan?
I mean, it's up to you.
Okay, don't hurt me now, man.
Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you. Launch control.
Oh shit! That is crazy.
Yeah.
That is sick.
Oh my god.
Okay, thank you.
Should we do it again or?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right.
I just pooped myself.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Behind me is the Mclaren 720S, one of the fastest cars in the world. And to show you exactly how fast it is, I've gathered a group of friends and strangers. I'm going to put them in the passenger seat and film their reactions when I do launch control. The 720S makes 710 horsepower, does 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's as quick as a Bugatti Veyron Supersport. This is about to be so much fun. Let's go. What's up, guys? I'm with my buddy Renee. About to go for a ride in the 720.
Hell yeah.
What do you think of this thing, dude?
Oh my god, it's a beast. I've never seen nothing like that before. Look at this thing. Look at the curves. What do these holes lead to, man? Damn.
What's the fastest car you've been in?
Growing up, my friends all had like, you know, Civic SIs with the turbo.
Yeah?
My friend had a really fast Honda Del Sol that used to haul ass.
Dude, this is just like that.
Holy crap, look at how thick those tires are.
I know, they're wild, dude. All right, hop inside, man. Let's do this.
Okay, do I just pull it down?
Yeah, and then you just pull the door down.
Sweet. Okay. Dude, what's this all about? Is this the weight?
It's Alcantara. It's a
Kintara.
synthetic suede.
It sounds like some martial arts shit. Oh, I feel like it's a kid, like a cat.
It's a cat?
Like I'm inside of a cat right now.
You hear that, McLaren?
Like this thing is just
like a cat.
purring. Yeah, look at that.
All right, let's do this.
God. A little panther call right there.
There we go.
Okay, don't hurt me now, man.
Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you.
All right.
No, it's not even fast.
Dude, this is crazy. What are those buttons?
That's just to put it in drive and
Oh, so
neutral
you
and
literally
reverse.
just press a button. That's
Yeah.
nuts.
And then paddles to shift gears.
Oh, sick, dude. So everyth's behind us, the engine
Yep.
and stuff? What is this, like a 12? V12?
No,
V10?
it's a twin turbo V8.
Ooh, I like it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh. God damn, I'm fucking. Yo, that shit is lit, dog.
Isn't that awesome?
Oh, bro. I think I'm sweating. Oh, shit. Yo, dude. That is crazy.
Yeah.
I'm sweating, bro. Oh, shit. Dude, that's so sick.
I'm glad
Parker,
you like
that
this,
is
dude.
so sick.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh my god. Again.
All right, we'll do it again.
So is this like one of the fastest cars out?
It is, yeah.
It's the fastest car.
It's not the fastest car, but it is absolutely up there with the top fastest cars in the world.
I'm ready. Oh, shit. Oh, dude, that's so sick.
Give it up for Renee's reaction. That kid is hilarious. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, join the Vehicle Virgins family, turn that notification bell on. Have you done it? Did you subscribe? You won't be disappointed. We got some awesome content coming your way. All right, we got our next riders, my friend Riley and her mom Yvette.
Hey,
Who's going first?
I'm gonna go first.
Have you been in any fast cars before?
I haven't. Am I gonna be scared out of my mind?
I guess we'll find out.
We'll find
All
out.
right, hop in.
You excited or nervous?
A little of both. Goodness, we have launch control.
Yep. All right, 5, 4, 3.
Ah! Okay.
It's pretty wild, huh?
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah, it's one of the fastest accelerating cars in the world.
That is absolutely amazing. Okay. Thank God you know how to drive this. Oh.
I do. You enjoy it?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's fun.
Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
This was fun.
Heck yeah.
I think.
All right, let's see what your daughter has to think about it. In the car with Riley now. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Your mom was
Oh, God.
amazing. It was
only
actually
imagine.
hilarious. So what fast cars have you been in?
I've been into a few M3s,
Okay.
but nothing this crazy.
All right, well,
I'm
let's
excited.
see. Let's see. Launch control.
I'm like shaking. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I felt my whole face like
Really?
shaking. Okay.
What do you think? You like it or hate it?
I love it. Let's do it again.
All right, we're doing it again.
Oh my god.
You said you might be able to get your housekeeper.
Yes.
That would actually be the
That would
best
be
thing
amazing.
ever. Oh, she would love it.
She's gonna shit
or
herself.
she's gonna hate it. Have you ever been in a fast car before?
No.
No. Okay.
First time. Yeah, it's a beautiful car.
Thank you very much.
I like it. Okay, thank you.
Should we do it again or?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right. This is what Vehicle Virgins is all about, guys. Sharing these cars with people gets me so excited, making people's days riding in super fast exotic cars that they wouldn't otherwise get to experience. I feel so grateful right now. Jonathan, what's going on, man?
Bro, how you been?
I've been good. So what's the fastest car you think you've been in?
Probably a Lambo. That's crazy, man.
All right, launch control.
I'm about to.
I think that's gotta be my favorite part of the 720S, guys, the look on passengers' faces when you go full throttle. All right, time for our next victim. Here with my buddy Felix. What's going on, dude?
What's going on, buddy?
You ready for this?
All right, let's do it.
Launch control.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, shit. Stop sign. Woo! That is sick. I need one of these. I feel my heart jumping out of my chest right now.
Hell yeah, dude.
Thank you.
All right, we got my buddy Josh in the car now. Let's do this, dude. Josh has been in some fast cars, but the 720 is, it's a different animal.
I've never felt the launch.
Yeah. What do you think?
Oh my god. I was like actually shitting myself towards that last pull.
I know, it starts getting faster and faster, dude. It's wild.
Oh my god.
All right, we got my buddy Kyle in the car. What's going on, dude?
Not much, man. Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome.
Jesus Christ, man. Oh my god.
Well, hope you enjoyed the ride, dude.
Dude, thank you.
We got Isaac in the car now. What's good, dude?
I'm pretty scared, actually.
Why are you scared?
I don't know, I haven't been in anything this fast in ever. Shit. Jesus Christ. That's pretty nuts. The fucking noise this thing makes.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Hell yeah, dude.
Damn.
All right, we got my buddy Joe in the car. What's going on, dude?
What up, man? How are you?
This is awkward.
Starting off bad already.
All right, dude. So Joe, you daily drive a Ford C-Max.
Yep.
So he's very familiar with fast cars.
Yep.
Well, honestly, I was like really confused when you got that car, but you like it so much that I'm like
Greatest
stoked for
thing
you.
ever.
Why is it the greatest thing ever?
37.2 miles per gallon.
Dude, this gets 7.2. So, you ready for this?
I don't think so. We'll find out. Do I need to hold on, or what's the plan?
I mean, it's up to you.
Shit. Oh, shit. Holy crap. Yeah, I think you gotta take me home.
Why?
I just pooped myself.
What are you talking about? Are you serious?
I think I just launched a launch we couldn't control. Oh,
No, you
God.
did not.
Should I show the camera?
In the Mclaren. No,
Should I show
you're
the
not
camera?
showing the camera. Are you
Oh,
serious,
God,
dude?
Yeah, take me home.
No way. What?
That's why I like the Raptor dog. When you go in there, no one knows. You're in the back
Oh
seat.
my God. We gotta call Anthony and clean up on aisle 3.
Passionate, we need you! Why are you speeding? It's making it worse!
Because at this point, what are we gonna do?
Oh, God.
You're being serious though?
Not having fun. Like, it's fun, but it's not fun.
Oh man, all right, I'll
As a
take it back.
25-year-old male, I don't think I've crapped my pants in like 20 years. I clenched too hard.
Well, after Joe's little mishap, I'd say this is the perfect time to end this video. Guys, I haven't had this much fun filming in a very long time. If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up button. Let's get this to 20,000 likes so we can do a part 2. Smash the like button like you'd smash the gas pedal on the 720S. Now, unfortunately, this makes me so sad, but this is my last day with the 720S. I've had it for 2 months, driven it 1,500 miles, and it has been such an incredible car. It is actually the most comfortable supercar I have ever experienced, yet at the same time, it is unbelievably fast in a straight line, like jaw-droppingly fast. As you can see from everybody's reactions, it's fast enough to scare the crap out of literally anyone. But it's so smooth, it's comfortable, it's easy to drive. You could literally drive this car every single day, yet smoke hypercars in a straight line and do exceptionally well on the track. I really don't want to have to give this car up. And it's just so beautiful to look at too, all of the carbon fiber. But we've got another special delivery that I'm going to be filming a video on very soon.